RHS Pre-Calculus presents SOHCAHTOA for Dummies. Goal: how to calculate the lengths of the sides of right triangles. Welcome to SOHCAHTOA for Dummies. The goal is to learn how to calculate the lengths of the sides of right triangles and their angles. We will use this triangle diagram with the hypotenuse, the opposite side, the adjacent side, and an angle. We will use a simple technique called SOHCAHTOA. This technique is used for finding the side lengths of right triangles when an angle is given, or finding the angles of right triangles when some side lengths are given. Now, let's start by asking ourselves, what is SOHCAHTOA? SOHCAHTOA stands for sine is equal to opposite over hypotenuse, cosine equals adjacent over hypotenuse, and tangent is equal to opposite over adjacent. We will now demonstrate some examples. Make sure you keep your calculator in degree mode. We will start with SO. SO is sine of theta equals opposite over hypotenuse.
We can see that in this example, we are given the angle and the opposite side length, which means we must set the hypotenuse as variable x. The first step is to multiply by x on both sides of the equation, which leaves you with the sine of 27 degrees times x is equal to 8. Then you divide both sides by sine of 27 degrees and you calculate the value for sine of 27 degrees. This will leave you with x is equal to 8 over 0.45. Next, you divide 8 by 0.45. After that, you find x is equal to 17.62. To conclude, we have found the unknown side length to be approximately 17.62.
Now, we will talk about the ca part of SOHCAHTOA. Ca is cosine of theta equals adjacent over hypotenuse.
We can see in this problem theta is equal to 27 degrees and the hypotenuse is 17.62. Now the unknown, or the adjacent side in the problem, is given the variable x. The first step is to calculate cosine of 27 degrees, which gives you approximately 0.89. Now we have 0.89 equal to x over 17.62. Then you multiply both sides by 17.62. Now you have x is equal to 15.68. To conclude, we have found the unknown side length to approximately be 15.68.
Now we will talk about the TOA part of SOHCAHTOA. TOA equals tan of theta equals opposite over adjacent.
Now in this example, we have the adjacent and the opposite sides. We are missing the angle. Since it is the same triangle, we should come up with the angle to be around 27 degrees. We can see in this problem that the opposite side is equal to 8 and the adjacent side is equal to 15.68. Now the unknown, or the theta value, is given the variable x. Since we're using the same triangle, the angle x should be approximately 27 degrees. The first step is to divide 8 by 15.68. This now leaves you with tangent of x is equal to 0.51. Now you take the inverse tangent of both sides. Now you have x is equal to 27.02. To conclude, we have found the unknown angle to be approximately 27 degrees.
As you can see, all the sides and angles match up in using each part of SOHCAHTOA. Thank you for watching this video. I hope you learned a lot.